In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Microsoft Word on your laptop. Keeping your software up to date is crucial, not only for using the latest features, but also for ensuring your data remains secure through the latest security patches. If you've been putting off your updates, worry not. Let's get your Microsoft Word updated in just a few simple steps. It's a straightforward process that will ensure you have the latest improvements and security features installed on your laptop. First off, let's start with the basics. You'll need to navigate to the Windows Start menu. This is where all your applications are housed, and you can find it at the bottom left corner of your screen. Just look for the Windows icon and click on it. This action will reveal a menu full of applications and settings options. Once you have the Start menu open, your next task is to locate Microsoft Word. To do this efficiently, you're going to use the search bar. Simply start typing Word into the search box. As you type, Windows will begin to suggest applications based on what you're typing. Microsoft Word should appear in the list of suggested applications. Now, click on Microsoft Word from the search results to open it. The program may take a few moments to launch, so be patient. Once it's open, you're one step closer to ensuring you're operating the latest version of Word. After Microsoft Word launches, you'll want to navigate to the Word Home. This can be found within the application itself and serves as a starting place where documents can be created, opened, and saved. Here you'll find various options, but for our purpose today, you're looking to get into the account settings. So the next step involves clicking on Account. This option is typically found towards the bottom of the list of options on the left-hand side of the word Home or within the File menu. This section not only shows information about the Word version you're currently running, but also provides access to update and product information. Once you're within the account section, look for Update options. This is usually accompanied by an icon indicating additional actions can be taken. Clicking on Update options will reveal a drop-down menu with several options, but the one you're interested in is Update Now. This will prompt Word to check for any available updates and start the installation process automatically. Now let's pause here for a moment. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the update, this process could take a few minutes or longer. It's important to ensure your laptop is connected to power if you're not sure about the battery level. The last thing you want is for your laptop to turn off mid-update. As the update process runs, Microsoft Word might close and reopen several times. This is perfectly normal. It's all part of the process to properly integrate the new updates into your system. You may also see progress bars indicating the status of the update, giving you an idea of how much longer the process will take. Once the update is complete, you might be prompted to restart your laptop. This ensures that all changes are applied correctly. If prompted, go ahead and restart your laptop. If not, it's still a good idea to manually restart your computer to make sure everything runs smoothly after the update. After restarting, launch Microsoft Word again to confirm the update was successful. You can typically tell if the update has been applied by going back to the Account section and checking the version information. If the numbers have changed and align with the latest version available, congratulations, you've successfully updated Microsoft Word on your laptop. Remember, regularly checking for updates ensures you're always working with the latest tools and security features Microsoft has to offer. This process isn't just limited to Word, it's a good practice for all your applications. Thank you for following along. I hope this guide was helpful in getting your Microsoft Word updated effortlessly. Keeping your software updated is key to a smooth, secure computing experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you get the most out of your technology.